Dr. Emma Taylor had always been fascinated by the human brain's ability to perceive and process reality. As a leading neuroscientist, she spent years studying the intricacies of the human mind. One fateful night, Emma stumbled upon an unusual patient, a young woman named Sarah, who had been admitted to the hospital with severe hallucinations. Emma was intrigued by Sarah's case, and as Emma delved deeper into Sarah's mind, she discovered a strange phenomenon. Sarah's brain was creating a duplicate reflection of herself, a dark and twisted version that seemed to be taking on a life of its own. Emma was both fascinated and terrified by this discovery. She knew that she had to understand the root cause of this anomaly, but as she continued to study Sarah's brain, she began to realize that the dark reflection was not just a product of Sarah's mind, but a separate entity that was slowly taking control. One night, as Emma was reviewing Sarah's test results, she saw something that made her blood run. Emma tried to run, but it was too late. The dark reflection began to seep out of Sarah's body, taking on a life of its own. Emma was consumed by an unspeakable horror as the dark reflection wrapped its cold dark. The next morning, the hospital staff found Emma's lifeless body, her eyes frozen in a permanent scream. Sarah was never seen again, but some say that on quiet nights, you can still hear Emma's screams echoing through the hospital corridors. As the dark reflection continues to haunt the living,